Hello guys, it's Josao here again with another tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you how I basically earn $10 every day on the Binance exchange, and it is also possible for you to earn the same. The process is very easy, just follow this step. Firstly, if you don't have a Binance account, kindly check the description section and use my referral link to create your Binance account, and you're going to get a welcome gift when you make your first deposit. So this is the Binance, all right, exchange and everything, the biggest platform. So what you want to do first, you come to the bottom, all right. You are seeing we have home, we have markets, you have trades, you have futures, and you have wallets. Okay, so firstly I need to show you that this strategy works. So you are seeing here plus what, 5 USDT, right? Plus $5, plus $5. Okay, so you might be asking, how am I able to generate this? As you are seeing here, this is what, plus 5, plus 5. Okay, so now from the last time I mentioned, if you watch my previous video on Binance, all right, I showed you how you can basically what, buy cryptos on the Binance exchange very fast. So you know my favorite token already is what, Arbitrum, ARB, and I also love Solana and a little bit of Shiba and other meme coins. Okay, so now I was basically able to earn through what we call Binance Earn. Okay, through Binance and at the top here. So Binance and basically when you come here, this is basically wherein you stake your cryptos. Okay, you just what, stake your crypto assets. Binance is going to use this to basically what, borrow other customers, and in return you are going to what, make profit. In return you are basically going to what, make profit. So now I have what, 108 Arbitrum. So what basically happens is whenever I have Arbitrum, I'm going to stake them and I'm going to earn what little profit from this one. Okay, so this is the first way you can basically be able to earn, all right, on the Binance exchange very fast. So you'll be earning this little profit, but don't worry, just look here. These are all what, little profit. This is what, Solana again, and this is what, Shiba. Okay, you can see this is what, Shiba Inu. This is what, Dogecoin. Okay, this is BNB, and this is my USDT, which is equivalent to what, 1 USDT is equivalent to what, $1. So the first thing you want to do is you come to the spot, okay, for you to earn. Okay, you come to the spot, you try to look for what, tokens that are doing well. Okay, you look for tokens that are doing what, extremely well, the ones with what, high market cap. You can't basically be able to make a lot of profit from Bitcoin because the price of Bitcoin, it has increased. You can't be able to afford what, 1 Bitcoin. Okay, you come here, you come to the top, you see market. Bitcoin is currently 65,000. So you can't, if for you to make solid profit from Bitcoin, you basically need to have huge amount of fund. So what you want to basically do is you want to be looking for what, other tokens, all right, or coins with high market cap. How do you basically get to do this? You go to coin market cap and you look for the first 20 coins, and when you basically look, you can basically see the ones that are doing well. For example, you can just try to get what, Ethereum, you can get Solana. Okay, you can basically get ARB. Like if you come to the chart option at the top here, all right, you see these are my 3 charts mostly that I basically do charts for. You see, we have Arbitrum, ARB, we have Doge, we have Solana. So I basically just purchase this coin and I'm able to generate what, the 10 USDT every day. So all you need to do is what, this is just similar to what, spot trading. So you earn both from Binance and from the spot trading combined together. So you basically try to what, make a little bit of profit. Okay, you basically make what, little bit of profit. So this is how you basically tend to what, earn every day your 10 USDT. You just buy what, the coins, and you leave them to what, generate profit for you. All right, sometimes investing in cryptocurrency might be risky. You might tend to lose all your money. This basically happens to what, meme coins. Okay, these joke coins, okay, like the Shiba Inu, the Dogecoin and all right, but coins with high market cap, which means a lot of people have invested what, billions if not trillions of dollars in that. So for the coin to vanish just immediately is going to what, be difficult. So I'll advise you to be focusing on what, coins with what high market cap like Arbitrum, okay, Solana, Shiba. Just buy them from your spot, you leave them, and every day you are going to see when the price go down, yeah, you might tend to lose money, but they are definitely going to bounce back, and you are going to be what earning cash every day. All right, you have nothing to do. All you need is what to just buy the coins and you leave them there, or you can basically to earn extra cash, you basically stake them on the Binance. And okay, so let me know if you have any question and I'll be happy to respond to you within 24 hours. I also have a 1 month free crypto and forex for beginners. If you are interested, kindly send me a message by Instagram or Facebook at Joseph Sesay Concept, or you reach me by Twitter at Joseph Sesay Concept, and you'll be added to the community. Thanks a lot, guys. See you in upcoming tutorials. Kindly ensure to subscribe if you find value in this video. Stay blessed. Peace.